Hi, it's Larry Games from Power Cycle Trading. I hope you were able to catch the big move this past Friday, November 16th. We had a really fun day at Power Cycle. And I'm going to go through all the excitement here today on this video to show you what transpired, especially on Apple. But before I get started, please go to my website, powercycletrading.com, and if you've not received my free ebook, it's Top 15 Option Trading Strategies, go here and put your name, email address, and you'll get it right away. I am also having a trader special, so if you'd like to take advantage of this, please do right now, because you can get your choice of any of the Power Cycle courses, Option Trading Made Simple, the Daily Aftermarket Power Outlook membership for 1 month, and Power Cycle Virtual Trading Room for 1 month. All of this just for $597. This retails for over $1,000. So if you'd like this, also go to my website and I'll show you the link real quick. It's powercycletrading.com/trading, and it's also on the blog video email. Now I'm going to start off with a top-down market view of Apple using technicals and using our Power Cycle trading model, and then I'm going to end up going through the intraday chart to show you how we were able to make over 200% return just in one day trading Apple using weekly options. So right now, here's the weekly time frame for Apple, and we use this for our long-term time frame, and the trend still is in a downtrend. We've had it Apple in a downtrend since October the 5th based on our cycle model, and it's come down and came all the way down to this made a low on Friday of 505.75. It broke through this 528 level, which was a May low, so it just came down a couple times and tested down below later in the week, like Wednesday, Thursday, and then on Friday with option expiration it really sliced right through the 525, got all the way down to 505. There was a lot of open interest on the options at 510, but it blew right through there. And it looked like it was going to head to 500, where there was also additional big open interest volume. So this also is a 50% retracement. So let me show you that. Now, if you take the low for a back here in July and come up to the high that we made in July of this year, so for 1 year, if you take the low to the high, the 50% retracement came in right here at 507. So we came down to that, touched it, and actually went through it a little bit on Friday and then bounced. Now we came in to Friday looking at the markets being very oversold, and I was looking for some type of potential bounce on Apple in the NASDAQ 100. As you can see, Apple, just putting the RSI up, it's extremely oversold. It's way below the 30 percentile level here, and this is the most oversold it's been all year. You can go back and look, and it hasn't been this hard down all year. So you can stay oversold for a period of time, but if there's any kind of news, it can really raise havoc with the any shorts, and you'll get a really good short covering rally. So that is exactly what happened. The thing that really set the market up off to the upside was that there was a news event when the congressional leaders, they had a meeting with the president Obama, and they came out after the meeting with the press conference regarding the progress of the fiscal cliff, and then during this conference Harry Reid made a statement that that they would not wait till the last day of December to get something done, and they would try, or they could agree on a framework for a deal. So they said they could agree on a framework for a deal prior to the deadline. And that statement, prior to the deadline, work on an agreement that would work, really put a floor to the market, and you had a tremendous amount of short covering come in. So those remarks really helped to surge the session from its lows back up and have some pretty decent gains towards the end of the day. So based on that, we were all over Apple when that announcement came. We were very aggressive trading Apple to the upside. So before we get into the intraday charts, here's the daily time frame, and we had the model had Apple short on the 14th, and then actually covered today the short and went neutral based on the closing price. But we've had some really good short setups on the daily. Here's a short, neutral, long, short, neutral, short. Big huge move down on that short. That was on the 25th of October, and that caught a move down from about 614, 615 all the way down to 641. So basically, with our cycle model going neutral on the medium term, which is the daily, and it went long on the intermediate term here on Friday, this green arrow right here, that's where it went long, right at about 12 Central, and it went long at about 525. So based on this is based on a closing price of the 60-minute time frame. The system is currently holding long on intermediate term time frame. It was prior to that short on the 14th from right at about 542, and then covered that on Friday morning at around 519. So it had a great move down. Now it's currently long, and this is a swing trade setup. So we took advantage of it and really jumped all over it based on a 5-minute time frame. Let me show you that. Now here's the power cycle model using the 5-minute time frame. This is one of the time frames that we're constantly looking at for intraday market trend, and the model, right when that news was coming out, nailed a long at 1040 Central and got in around $510, and this market barely looked back. It didn't really look back until it made a high right here at 1105 and had a pullback at that point, but it had gotten up to 522. The system actually did not exit until right around here, 525, 526. So it had about a $16 move on the system, and I was trading very aggressively all through this move all the way up. And then I did not take any shorts though. The system went short here, covered, went neutral, went long again, short again, neutral, and long. So I was just really all over this big move, and with this move and right in here, I was able to make over 200% return trading the weeklies. Let me show you those trades. Now here's a snapshot of the trades that I did on Friday, November 16th. These trades, when I take the trades, I'm trying to call them out, but the market was moving so fast that I was just in and out aggressively, but the whole time keeping the virtual trading room updated on exactly what I was doing. But you can see that these trades, I think I had about 27 trades here. Most of them were the 525, 520 calls, and you can see some of the returns here are just fantastic, because see, these are options, weekly options that were expiring that day. So look at this particular trade. I bought the 525 calls for $1.60. That's $160 per contract, and I sold it not too much later for $260. So $100 a contract. That's over 62% return. So I was had several really great trades. $100 here, 100, 100, 105, 100, 100. So it's just a really fantastic day trading the upside. And when I accumulated the cumulative returns, when you add up all the returns here, it came up to over 230%, and my cumulative profit was 889. And remember, one option contract equals 100 shares, so this is based on one option contract. So you can do the math on what the potential is if you were doing more than one contract. So all in all, it was a fantastic day. I think the markets have put in a little bit of a bottom. There's a lot of great news that came out about Apple. So read the blog, and there's a lot more information in there regarding Apple and some of the positives. And good luck trading on Monday. And if you'd like to join us at Power Cycle Trading, please come join us and take advantage of our trader special to do that. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading Monday.